Hi friends, here we are yet again, and we're doing a work on Prezi. And you may have used Prezi before. It's been around for a while, but there's something new that you're going to do to it, and I wanted to show you that. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and it's not hard to get an account, but you'll just do that and get an account. And then I'm going to pick a presentation to create. Here we go. Let's try this. And it takes you to places where you can even choose more. It basically is the number of topics you're going to discuss in it. So let's try this. We're going to use that template. Going to give it a title, and I think it's well, for our purposes right now, you can just put Prezi for a class or something. Doesn't really matter. Because remember, this isn't going to be your permanent one. This is just to get us started. And we would put anyone can see it on the web, because if you put it people you share with, that means you're going to have to put everybody's email in so that they can see it. And so what I would do is you let anybody on the web see it, but then later you can delete it off the web if you don't want it to be up there. Click continue. And it gives you all these choices. Once you click on them, it'll take you to one of these pages to write on, okay? And that's pretty much it. But the difference of what we're going to do is after you complete this, then we're going to click on create a video. And we want to create a video with you in it. So we're going to highlight the guy and then say continue. And the instructions for doing it are over here. It's pretty simple. You just say get started. You have to allow your camera. And it does totally change the way the thing looks. Gone is the nature stuff, and all you do is see Dr. Posey. So the other thing too, they say to readjust the template. So see the template, let's do that. The template really didn't matter because you're going to move it around anyway. The background didn't really matter because you are the background. And so what you're going to do is put your information in these spots, excuse me, and then you're going to create the video. And when you go to save the video, then it's got you talking. So you're going to talk about the topics that you put into this. You're not just going to show us, you're going to talk to us. So for our purposes right now in this activity in our first module in Canvas, the Fun with Technology one, you would talk about maybe 3 teachers that you've seen that you thought were great, and then you can just delete the 4th. I mean, it doesn't have to be long. And then when you are ready to finish, it has the word share. We look for the word share. For our purposes, now we can just use a link and put that into our Canvas assignment. And at some point, we will have to move that to an embed code. And I actually don't know where the embed code is here. I do know that. Wait a minute. Oh, I know, it's on the main page, and I'll show you that in class instead of trying to do it now, because you don't really need it right now. You're just going to do it. You're just going to click share and put the link in and put it into Canvas, into the assignment. Okay? So I hope that helps you. Thank you.